Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use dewy multivitamin oil. First, ensure your skin or hair is clean and dry. Dispense just 2 or 3 drops of the oil into your palm. Gently warm the oil between your hands before applying it. Massage the oil into your desired area, whether it's your face, body, or hair, until it feels fully absorbed. This ensures maximum benefit from its rich blend of nutrients. Dewy multivitamin oil offers numerous benefits for both your skin and hair. For skin, it deeply moisturizes, helping to improve elasticity and overall texture. Many users notice a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and a more radiant, healthy glow. When applied to hair, it can help nourish the scalp and add a beautiful shine. Its powerful blend of vitamins A, C, and E works synergistically to support cellular health. To maximize the benefits of your dewy multivitamin oil, consistency is key. We recommend applying it once or twice daily as part of your regular routine. For an extra boost, try mixing a few drops with your favorite moisturizer, body lotion, or even your hair conditioner. This can enhance hydration and nutrient delivery. Remember to store the oil in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its powerful ingredients. As a final tip, always perform a small patch test on a discrete area of your skin before full application, especially if you have sensitive skin. This helps ensure you won't have any adverse reactions. If you experience any irritation, discontinue use immediately and consult a skincare professional. Also, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Consider Darn Tough for their amazing quality and lifetime warranty. Check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.